Hey, let me show you how we can find your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So this function is useful when you lost one of your earbuds, for example in your home or any other quiet places like a library or in your classroom. So in the Huawei AI Live application, we have to scroll down and go to the Find Earphones. And right now you've got the play sound from the left or the right earbud. And when you click on this one, on the left one for example, and tap play, as you can hear, it's making the sound. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the microphone. Okay, it actually comes from this one. And once you find it, you can just tap to stop sound. And that's the only way to locate your earbuds. Unfortunately, there is no location like on the AirPods. So yeah, just tell me if it was useful for you. Bye bye.